Trading futures on Questrade involves several steps using their advanced trading platforms. Here's a concise guide to get started. Log into your Questrade account. Access your account via Questrade's website or mobile app and log in with your credentials. Ensure you have a futures account. Futures trading requires a specific account type. Verify you have a margin account enabled for futures trading. If not, contact Questrade to set this up. Access Questrade Edge. Use Questrade Edge, their advanced trading platform, available for desktop or web. It provides tools for futures trading, including real-time data and advanced charting. Navigate to futures. In Questrade Edge, locate the futures section. This will show you a list of available futures contracts. Select a futures contract. Choose a futures contract based on your market interests. Each contract has different expiration dates and specifications. Place a trade. Click on the chosen futures contract. Enter your trade details, including the contract size, order type, and any stop loss or take profit levels. Market order. Executes immediately at the current market price. Limit order. Sets a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Review and confirm. Review your order details for accuracy and click Submit to execute the trade. Monitor your position. Use Questrade Edge's tools to track and manage your futures position in real time.